Hello my lovelies, welcome to Happy Wife, Happy Life. You guys, I'm doing it again. I went to the Salvation Army. They were having a huge blowout sale and I had to stop and pick up a couple of things. If you guys are interested in looking where I place these items, I put the time there for you guys so you can skip ahead. But this in particular candelabra, I love. It's a candle holder. And basically I picked it up for $5, you guys. Even though they did have it for $39.99, I was able to negotiate it down. And I love it because I can fit my candles perfectly in here. And then as well, I picked up these candelabras, you guys. It was right behind the cashier, just thrown there, and it caught my eye. I thought they were so pretty, and when I took a closer look at them, you know, they did want $9.99 for them, but in the bottom, you guys, it says it is silver plated and it's also made in Italy. So this was a great find. Like I mentioned before, they wanted $9.99 each, and the gentleman told me first he'll give me both for $10. And so I kind of hesitated and said, no, I'm not interested. And so at the end he said, I'll give you both for $5. And for $5, you guys, I could not pass this up. Yes, it's a little tarnished, but it was in great condition, and you can tell this is a nice pricey piece, you guys, at one point. And so I really like the look, and I'm just showing you guys really quick how it looks together. This is not how I styled it, but wanted to show you all together. So the candelabras were $5. And you're gonna see on top, the other $5 is the actual bowl, and the $10 on that receipt is this table, you guys. This table was marked for $129. I said this is utterly ridiculous, so I called someone over, and the gentleman told me, okay, I'll leave it to you for $30. And I was not convinced still at $30, because as you can see, it does have a couple chips here and there, and I negotiated down to $10, you guys. And to complete the look, I went to Home Depot and picked up this Rust-Oleum can, and it came out to $6.98. So that little table, all in all, was going to cost me less than $17, you guys. I'm super excited about that. You have a piece of furniture for less than $17. And then for my silver, I picked up this Wreath silver cleaner. And you guys, let me tell you, it works magic. So here I am just cleaning everything off, and basically, you guys, I'm just hand washing this to the literal sense. I don't want to use any kind of sponges because it will get caught on the actual crystals. So just very gently, I'm cleaning it off, rinsing it off with some warm water. I'm doing the same thing with the actual candelabras, making sure I'm taking off all of the stickers. And I'm gonna give it a good cleaning with a rough rag, just to make sure I take off any dirt and or dust. Now, taking out my Wreath handy dandy polish cleaner. This comes with a little sponge, and it's also kind of like a paste, you guys. It's very easy to use. You just rub it really good on there, and as you let it set for just a couple of seconds, it really just removes all of that tarnish. And you want to make sure that you buff it really good. Get into every single little detail and crevices, because if not, these will stay black. But this product worked really well, and it was very easy to use. And as soon as I'm done with all of that, you guys, I'm gonna give this candelabra a good buffing with a clean, dry rag. And it's incredible how much tarnish comes off even after the cleaning. So here, the hubster decided to help me out, and this is something that's very easy, anybody can do. Just spray painting it with a light coat, you guys. And I didn't even do much prep work to this. I just wiped it down and that's it. I didn't sand it or anything. And he went in with the Rust-Oleum. And so all of this commotion kind of gave me an idea to move my sofa around. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. And of course, I have my super strong, handsome son He's volunteering to help me. I don't know if it's volunteering, but he definitely helped me with the lifting, because these sofas, they're beautiful, but they are heavy, you guys. They are very heavy, and they have some pads on the bottom of the legs, which makes it very hard to slide, which is a good thing because it is a sectional and you don't want to be sliding everywhere. And so my kids are doing a dance off. We're playing music in the background. We're having fun, enjoying ourselves, and just bringing some good energy to the house, and I absolutely love that. And so that's it, you guys. We're moving all of the furniture, getting everything prepped, and I'm going to be showing you how I use the items that I purchased into my home. And here is the after look, you guys. I absolutely love the way that this came out. I went to the Salvation Army and picked up some additional books, and also in the dollar store, you guys. I picked up 2 books in the dollar store and 2 books in the Salvation Army, just to give the candelabras a little bit of a height difference. And these are actual books that I do intend to read. They're very, very good books. So it's not just for decorative purposes. And I love the background, you guys, of the sofa. Before, if you remember or seeing my other videos, the kitchen was my background, and I was not happy with that. So I definitely like how this is looking. And everything that you see on the table, you guys, I previously had. And if you guys saw my spring tour, you would have seen a lot of these items on my dining room table. And I just love, love, love the way they came out. And they styled everything. So, these little bunnies on top of these candelabras. I just love using candelabras in different ways, not just for candles. And you'll see that a lot throughout my decor and different seasons. I will use them to prop up pumpkins and different items. So this is just what I have now for the spring, Easter time, and I'm really, really loving it. So this is the final look, you guys. This is how I use the items from the Salvation Army on the cheap. For less than $30, I got a furniture piece and 2 candelabras and a candle holder. And I am so thrilled with how it came out. This is on the cheap, you guys, and it added a little bit more of an element to my decor. And I'm absolutely loving it. So if you guys liked it, remember to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I have more videos coming up, you guys. We're even thinking of moving to Orlando, so if this happens, we're gonna be coming and showing you guys the move and all the craziness that has to do with that. So thank you so much for joining us, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.